Get found online on Google. Local consumers use Google more than anything else to decide which personal injury attorney to call when they or a family member has experienced injury or death. Whether facing a minor automobile accident, more serious issues such as medical malpractice, product liability, construction accidents, or even wrongful death, your clients look to Google for help. If your legal practice is not found here, then you may as well be invisible to the average consumer. This is Google Places. It is the #1 area on the internet to generate real customer leads for your practice. People are searching for experienced personal injury attorneys all day, every day. If you can't be found by those searching, you'll get the same result: no leads. We work with personal injury attorneys across the country to solve this exact problem. If your website is not bringing in a steady flow of leads for your practice, we can help. We understand the unique value that your focused personal injury law practice provides its clients. Unlike many search marketing firms, our past clients have taught us that a steady stream of client leads is very important to you. It takes